Hi, this is Amir and I'm here to walk you through the installation of Simplus on Windows operating system. First, you need to go to robosimplus.mo website. Then, click on the installation button and choose Setup and Run for Windows. Scroll down to the installation section. At first step, we need to install Python. You can find a link to download the Python installation file based on your operating system. If you are using 32-bit operating system, you should use x86, and if you are using 64-bit operating system, you should use the link provided by x64. After the download is complete, open the installation file. Don't forget to check the box Add Python to Pass. Then click on Install Now. Wait until the installation is complete. Now we have installed Python successfully. We go to the next step. Use the link provided to download installer. Extract the zip file in a desired location. Just double click on the file extracted, installer_4.bat. It will install all dependencies needed for Robo Simplus. Just wait until the installation is complete. After the installation is complete, just press any key to close the command window. Go to the directory that you have already placed installer_4.bat. Go to Simplus folder, Simplus_vrep, and then Simplus_win. Run Simplus.bat. Simplus panel will be opened. You can select to open the simulator, and the Capella Sim simulator will be opened. And you will face with Simplus Monitor, Game Manager, and Capella Sim simulator. You can upload your own code or use the sample code provided by Simplus. Click on Clear, then run client, and after that run server. The sample code will be loaded on the Epoch robot, and your Epoch robot will move. Thanks for watching this video.